Are you interested in making money from the comfort of your home? Having your neighbors guess and wonder how you make money? You don't want to be locked down in your home and you're starving. You don't want to always have to go out there to hustle before you make money. Okay, so if you are interested in making money from the comfort of your home, you may want to stick around and watch this video right till the end. What's up, YouTube? It's Victor Isibo once again. Thank you guys for coming back. Old timers, salute. Thank you for always sticking around. And to the first timers, if it's the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, I introduced myself earlier. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here on this channel, we talk spirituality, we talk make money online, we talk business reviews, and pretty much everything that makes you a better version of yourself. If stuff like this is what interests you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon and put it on all so that you'll be the first to know when I do another video. Now, what are we talking about today? We're talking about 4 ways to make good money from the comfort of your home without having to step out. Now, you may be wondering, why should I not go out there to hustle? I can go out there to hustle and make money. But there was a time when everybody had to be locked down for extended periods. And you know, those people who are skilled at making money from the comfort of their homes, they were balling, they were spending money. And you might have been wondering, how do these people make their money? So I'm going to be sharing with you today 4 ways you can be making money from the comfort of your home. And without much ado, I'm going to be jumping into number 1. Number 1 is network and multi-level marketing. I know many people don't like any business that involves referring people. Now, this video is not to make you like it. This video is to tell you what works. And the truth of the matter is that many people are making 6 figures on a monthly basis from network and multi-level marketing. And if they could do it, you can also do it. And I tell you for free, you can do network and multi-level marketing comfortably from the comfort of your home without having to go out there to meet people face to face, organize seminars. You can say you're shy. Yeah, you're shy. That's why you have the internet. Now, how many people do you stand a chance of interacting with if you organize the seminar somewhere? Compare that number to the number of people you get to meet on social media. You interact with people from all walks of life. Now, when you interact with them, you place an advertisement on social media that, oh, I have this amazing network or multi-level marketing opportunity, and they show interest. Then you bring them into a Telegram group or a WhatsApp group and you do a presentation for them, and interested people DM you, and before you know, you get them started in your team. And of course, you know, network and multi-level marketing involves a lot of leadership trainings because you want to groom leaders who would be able to replicate the efforts that you have put in, you know, because you can't do it all alone. It's teamwork. You do it, they do their part, and everybody is happy. So if you can spot a good network or multi-level marketing opportunity with an awesome compensation plan, my brother, my sister, you're going to be cashing out big time, big time. Now, you have applications like Zoom where you can connect with all your leaders from all walks of life and, you know, do a presentation to them, mentor them, groom them, tell them the next line of action, and you know, you are spreading the word and your team is growing. The more your team grows, the more your revenue grows, the more you're cashing out. So network marketing, multi-level marketing is one sure way of making money without leaving your home. That's the pajamas lifestyle. So there you go with number 1, network, multi-level marketing. So I come right back at you with affiliate marketing. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Now, if you're a blogger or you're a content creator on YouTube, affiliate marketing is an awesome way of making money. Lots of Nigerian bloggers make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Depending on the niche you're operating in, especially if you're a blogger, then you can be, placing advertisements of different products that you review or stuff that you talk about on your blog. And when people click on it and they make a purchase, you are going to get a commission. Now, if you have a blog that drives in a lot of traffic, why do you need to leave your house? When people are making purchases from big time e-commerce websites like Jumia, like Amazon, like eBay, and you're getting all these affiliate commissions, you're going to be balling. Okay, so number 2 is affiliate marketing. So stick around while we jump into number 3. So number 3, cryptocurrency trading. Now don't shout, do not shout. I know you're probably alarmed that this one is high risk. You're going to lose money. You need a lot of skill. You see, I did not talk about forex trading. Forex trading needs a lot of discipline. It needs a lot of skills. I believe that forex trading needs a higher level of skill than cryptocurrency trading. Why? Because cryptocurrency trading, you do not necessarily have to be a day trader or a scalper. With cryptocurrency trading, you can actually hodl. Now, you buy a coin that has potential for growth and you hold. Okay, so you may need to do a little bit of research about the coins that have the potential of doing really well. And what you do is just buy them from a website, for instance, like Binance. You can download the Binance app on your phone. You buy a coin that has been recommended by crypto enthusiasts that I suggest you follow on Twitter. You follow them on Telegram. You join groups where cryptocurrencies are being discussed. Even on YouTube, you have crypto enthusiasts recommending tokens that are going to do well, and you buy the dip. Okay, when it is low, you buy, because you're going to be anticipating an upsurge in the price of that cryptocurrency. Now, you hardly lose with cryptocurrency if you're patient. If you stick by the rule, invest only what you can afford to lose. So I'm not expecting that you use your house rent, your school fees, your feeding money to buy cryptocurrency and hold. If you do that, when the prices plummet, maybe the market is in a bearish mode, you're going to be crying because you're going to go hungry. You're going to have to leave your house. You're going to have to skip a year at school because you've used your school fees. Now, we're talking about investable funds. You have money that you want to use for investment and you're thinking long term. Trust me, cryptocurrency can make you stinking filthy rich, because most of these coins have high levels of volatility. Okay, a coin can do 3,000% bullish run. The price can, skyrocket up to like even 5,000%, and you're a poor man today and tomorrow you're wealthy. So cryptocurrency can surprise you positively and negatively. Now, if it surprises you negatively, like the prices fall, all you need to do is what? You wait. You wait and anticipate a growth in the market. Wait, because you've invested money that you can afford to lose anyways. So you're not hungry while you're waiting. Your landlord is not quitting you while you're waiting. You're not owing your school fees while you're waiting. You would eventually be in profit. Just hold. So cryptocurrency trading, holding cryptocurrency coins that have potentials for growth, is another very good way of making money. You want to stick around for number 4, because that is the most creative and innovative way of making money online. And trust me, you don't even need any money to do number 4. Okay? So stick around while I tell you about number 4. So number 4 is my favorite. I kept the best for the last. Drop shipping. Now, drop shipping is a very wide way of making money. Everything can be drop shipped. Now, all you need is good internet connection and be amiable, be sociable on social media. See, in a layman's language, dropshipping only means that the product that I advertised doesn't belong to me. It belongs to someone else. The person told me he wants to sell it for $20. I'm like, okay. Then I take pictures of it, I put it on my social media, and I advertise it for $50. And when you're interested, I tell you, payment validates order. Yeah? So you pay $50. Okay? Then I tell you, wait for your product. Then I go to the man who owns it and I give him $20 and I get the product and I deliver it to you. I've made cool $30 from doing that business. That's what it is. I was patronizing a girl, a vendor on Instagram, back to back, buying clothes, buying shoes from this particular vendor. And I found out that she was in my city. So one day I called her up and I'm like, I want to come to your shop so that I can see your products live. She had no choice but to confess to me that she doesn't own a shop. She doesn't own a shop. All the products I've been buying, when I place an order and I pay, she places the order for me and gets it from the original vendor and she supplies me. Anybody can do this and you can begin to make money. So these are sure 4 ways you can start to make money from the comfort of your home. Now, it will take you time for you to become big and become known and start to have traction and patronage, but you can start today and I guarantee that eventually you're going to be cashing out big time. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, give it a like, share this video with everybody who needs to see it. If you're a first timer, remember to subscribe. Till I see you next time with another valuable information that will edify you. I remain Victor Isibo. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.